friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do something really exciting. We are going to play a game called Palette Bingo. Now if you haven't heard of this game before, I'm basically going to use a phone app which is called Spin the Wheel, and it looks like this. And the wheel decides the color of the eyeshadow that I'll be using. And today I'm going to be using NikkieTutorials collaborate with Beauty Bay, this eyeshadow palette. It looks like this on the inside. So I will need 5 eyeshadows for my eye look today. And we have 5 columns of eyeshadow here. I'm going to use Spin the Wheel to decide one color from each column. And then we'll decide what kind of eye look that I'll be doing. I've never tried this before. I'm quite nervous because I don't know what kind of look that I'll be doing or what kind of colors. So this is kind of like a challenge to me, but I guess it'll be fun. Without further ado, let's start this game. I'm going to show you live on what number that this spin wheel would choose for me. Hope you can see it. Alright, number 2. 1, 2, so it will be this color. Let me swatch it on my arm and show you how it looks like on my skin. Close up. So this is like a pink shimmer. Right, let's go for column number 2. Oh, it's number 2 again. So we'll be using number 2 color on column number 2 as well. This yellow here. And the same thing, I'm gonna swatch it on my arm. Excuse my poor swatches on my hand here. Can't really see. By the way, if you hear some background noise, I think one of the neighbors here, they are doing some renovation works in their house. I can't really do anything here because I've closed all the windows basically, and I've even put a dead cat on my microphone. I really hope that the dead cat will cancel all the background noise there. I mean, if you can still hear the noise, I'm really sorry about it. I can't do anything more than that. Alright. 3rd column of the color. Let's do that again. Number 3. Column 3 and color number 3 will be this one. Basic Truth. Okay, I think I can use this as transition color, maybe. Or maybe not. I don't know. It's kind of... It looks kind of like on my skin. I'm sure I'll know what to do after picking all the colors out. Right, let's proceed to column number 4. So it's number 4. On the 4th column will be this blue here, and this one is called Amsterdam. Interesting color. This looks like a really nice blue color. Last column, which is the 5th column and my 5th color. Number 1. This brown. This is called 5 AM. It looks like this. Right, let me think about what kind of eye look that I want to do. I really have no idea what can I do with these 5 colors. It's pretty random. I have thought about what kind of eye look that I'll be doing, and I've even done my brows and primed my eyes off camera. Now let's start with the eye makeup. So I'll be using this as my transition color. I'm not sure if you can see it on the camera, it's almost like a skin tone. I'm just building it up. on my crease in a windshield wiping motion. I've only used this eyeshadow palette once and I only used a few colors, so I'm not really sure how is this going to be. Doesn't really look much difference, isn't it? I'm going to be using is this yellow here. There's quite a bit of kick up in the pan. So this palette, it comes with this card here. It's kind of like explaining what kind of application is suitable for each eyeshadow. Some more suitable to use brushes and some can use both finger and brush. If you watched my last video, I was using yellow kind of eyeshadow, kind of eye look. So today I'm using yellow again. I'm going to use basic treat again and blow out the edges of this yellow shade. So I'll be using the brown one, which is called the 5 AM, this color. So I'm focusing this color on my outer corner and blending it inwards towards the center of my eyelids and also blending it upwards. I'm not taking any more product, I'm just using whatever is left on the brush and blending it. I'm just taking a little bit more product on my brush and blending it again. I'm going to take the yellow, which is called the VLA. I kind of feel that the basic truth is more like a color suitable to set my primer just now. It doesn't really give me any color. I hope the outcome of this eye look doesn't turn into a trashy look. I don't know. I hope not. But we'll see about that. You will know it. I'm going to show you whatever it turns out to be, whether it's trashy look or turn out to be good. You will get to see the outcome of this eye look. So next I'll be going to use Roxy Cotton, which is this pink shimmer. I think this is like a dual chrome eyeshadow. Not sure if you can see. It's like a pink with rose gold shift. And basically I'm going to apply this color all over my lid. Using brush, it doesn't really pick up much product, so I'm going to use my finger to apply this color. Yeah, it's much better. I'm going to do my lower lash line, and I'll be using this blue one here. Quite intense. I look a little crazy now, I know. I promise you that after applying false lashes, it will look better. I'll be going back in with the brown shade, which is the 5 AM, and apply towards my outer corner. Focusing on my outer corner. Kind of like dipping up the color here on my outer corner. Really close to my lash line. Alright, I'm going back in with the Roxy Cotton, which is the pink with rose gold shift. And I'm going to apply on my inner corner. Actually, I think it is still better to apply with my finger. Alright, I'm going to apply eyeliner, apply false lashes, and the rest of my face makeup, and I'll be right back. So this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. I did have some fun playing with the palette, using the spin wheel, not knowing what I wanted to do yet, and it is kind of a fun challenge to me. I am definitely going to do this palette bingo in the future, probably with another palette. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell for more videos from me. I'll see you all in my next video, and until then, bye now. Thank you.